not a lot of directions on this one. Pretty straightforward. You are reading the second chapter of To Serve and Protect, and the link is right there if you click on the title of the book. There are the pages 9 through 17. Remember, you can also listen to it if you click on the link. And then you have 3 questions to answer. So what details show that Justice may be getting too old to be an effective police dog? Gives you 3 pages that sort of clue you into where those details could be. On page 10, what does the word asthma mean? You might be familiar with it, but double check it's what you think. And then why do you think Justice is so unwilling to retire? So you're making an inference about why he is unwilling to retire and then finding details that support your inference. Make sure you answer all 3 questions. And your code word today is HARD, H-A-R-D. That completes the phrase for this week. Hopefully you've been keeping track. Pretty straightforward. Hopefully you are enjoying this book. We will finish it up next week. Good luck.